Hello friends. Today I am going to share something a very interesting news about coronavirus. So Israel claimed that it has developed a key COVID antibody, or we can say monoclonal antibody against COVID-19 or coronavirus. अभी मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडी होता क्या है ये पहले जान लेते हैं। मोनो मीन्स सिंगल, क्लोनल मीन्स or clone means a group of identical cells. An antibody, as you know, these are the immunoglobulins or Y-shaped proteins produced by our lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are the cells present in our blood plasma. So those antibodies are immunoglobulins used by our immune system to neutralize the pathogen, any kind of pathogen, maybe bacteria or virus. Now this monoclonal antibody developed by the Israel, it is going to release soon into the market after getting a proper patent. First this country is going to take the patent, then it is going to release this monoclonal antibody into the market. So once this monoclonal antibody has been given to the patient, so those antibodies are effective against the coronavirus. It can neutralize, those antibodies can neutralize the effect of coronavirus. Now recently you have heard about plasma therapy. It is also one way to cure coronavirus, but it is not so effective, because in plasma therapy what happens, from the recovered patient, first we are going to collect the plasma which contains antibody against coronavirus, and that plasma is used to treat around 4 patients, not more than that, because we cannot अब हम एक रिकवर्ड पेशेंट से ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा प्लाज्मा तो नहीं निकाल सकते. So limited plasma we can take, that is sufficient only to treat 4 patients, and this is not effective when it comes to treat a many patient in a limited time. So this monoclonal antibody is an effective, if it is successfully comes into the market, then I think we will get little relief from this coronavirus. Now let us see how these monoclonal antibodies are going to be prepared. So the first of all, the coronavirus antigen is going to inject into the mouse. Now the mouse immune system, or the plasma cells or lymphocytes or B cells of the mouse, is going to produce antibodies. अब ऐसा तो नहीं कि चूहे के एंटीबॉडीज़ निकाल के हम इंसानों के अंदर डाल के कोरोना वायरस को ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. इट लीड्स टू एलर्जी. सो वन बेस्ट वे टू get the antibodies is that, instead of isolating antibodies from the body of mouse, we are going to isolate the B cells or lymphocytes. They are going to produce antibodies against the corona antigen. Now these plasma cells isolated from the mouse after injecting corona antigen is going to be fused with myeloma cells. Myeloma cells means cancer cells. Now one of the particular characteristics of cancer cell is that it undergo rapid multiplication. Within a fraction of time it is going to multiply rapidly. So with that intention, keeping that point in mind, the plasma cells from the mouse is going to mixed with cancer cells, then we will get a hybrid cell is called as hybridoma. Hybridoma is a hybrid cell obtained by fusing cancer cells or myeloma cells with the B cells of the mouse after infecting it with coronavirus. Now these hybridoma cells are going to produce antibodies, and those antibodies are considered as monoclonal antibodies, and these antibodies are effective against the coronavirus. Imagine this is coronavirus. Now on the surface of the coronavirus you can find a protein layer. to that protein layer, these Y-shaped antibodies or monoclonal antibodies are going to surround and neutralize the effect of this coronavirus. So this is a brief information about monoclonal antibody that has been successfully prepared by Israel against coronavirus. So my suggestion is that to all my students, we should give little interest in the field of research also. I think our country has to take more interest in the field of research or medical field, encouraging the students to take up this field, so that in such situations like the situation now, how it has been arised, how we are facing, to deal such situations, we need to be prepared well in advance. Thank you, students.